Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this Kotlin version error in Flutter. I have already created one demo application. Let's run the application. Now you can see the error. Why this occurs? Because to my project I have installed one additional package here. You can see the geolocator package which I can use for location purposes. So this package requires a newer version of Kotlin gradle file. That's why you can see. So how to fix this? Open this link in the browser. There you can see the Kotlin version number. So I copy this version number. After that, go to the build.gradle file in the Android folder. In Android folder, open the build.gradle. Copy this code line and paste it here. Now change the version number to 1.9.24. So this is the version number. After that, open the setting.gradle file, then paste the version number here. Okay. Now in the problems tab you can see you have to reload the project. So close the file and I open the project again. Okay. Now run the project again.